Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check if your PC shows sign of compromise in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using a PC using Windows 10 or 11 and you're showing the sign of compromise in your PC, so let's see how can you check that. So the very first thing, you just have to press Windows plus R to open run command, and here you have to enter MRT. Once you press enter, press OK or enter from your keyboard. So it will open a new window. You just have to wait for it. Then click yes, they prompt it. And here just wait for some loadings and you might see this tab interface. It's a Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. So you just have to press next. And here you can quick scan, you can make a full scan or you can customize your scan and choose a single folder or a file or your drive. So I recommend you have to click on full scan and then click on next. So it will completely scan your PC. If there will be any malicious software or the app, it will be removed in this step, and after that you might not get the issue. Or you can also go to search and just search for task manager. Now once you are in task manager, you just have to click on this CPU to check the highest CPU usage of the app. So if you might see any suspicious app in this category or in this row, so you just have to delete that app from your PC. Or you can also click on end task, just right click on that and then click on end task to completely disable that app. Or you can also go through this details option, and here you can get more detailed overview. Here you just have to select users to check how many users are using your PC. So here you can see there's a single user, or you can also click on search and search for run, or press Windows plus R to open run command. Now in this section you have to enter this command, which is netplwiz. Press OK. So it will show your user's account for your PC. So I have a single account. If you might see any suspicious account here, so you just have to click on that and then click on remove. So it's my administration to user, so I cannot remove this. If you might see any suspicious account here, so you will be able to remove that from your PC, and after that you might not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.